Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone's surviving well. So if you're anything like me, you've probably already seen 100 different videos regarding the Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer, and that's because they sent out a whole bunch of these to a group of content creators that they believe in, that they believe will help spread the word. And I'm very grateful to be one of the many proud Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer owners now. And I'm not going to bore you with yet another video going over all the key features, like this is a 3" by 5" perfect for pocketability pocket organizer. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go over a bunch of configurations that you can turn this into, and see what the 500 denier nylon fabric can hold and contain with the YKK zipper here, the genuine YKK zipper here. So I'm not going to go over all those key features, but let's get into this, and we're going to set it down on the loop field on the back there that you can put your morale patches and your ID patches. So this is going to come off so it does not get in the way. And if you want to take a look at that real quick, and we got it in the OD green with that pull handle there and the Duraflex hardware. Anyways, so this first configuration we're going to get into is going to be my little mini pocket tool bag in the Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer. I just love saying that, sorry. So first off, we have a bit set here. A whole bunch of Torx bits and a random Phillips head. We have a pair of Work Pro 4" water pump pliers that I still need to do a video on that I promised. Next, we have a stream light. This is going to be the MicroStream USB. We also have a C-ROM little bit driver here, a ratcheting bit driver. And we also have a Work Pro knife here, a utility knife. And as you can see here, again, we're not going to go over the key features like these plastic loops or these nice pockets in the back here. So that is my first configuration. As you can see, I have a Polka pen here. And moving right along, let's get into the next configuration. So the next Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer configuration we have here is kind of like an EDC configuration. We have a Sons knife. We have a little Olight. What is this? This is the i3E EOS. A little mini Sharpie type marker. A Quico Sport pen. An optical pry tool. Pry bar, Optical 3, and then we have a Rain and Rain mini pad. So that would be your EDC configuration for the Pico Pocket Organizer. My next kit is going to be a very packed out one, but this is a dopp kit. On the outside here we have a comb. We have a Tie-to-Go pen. A perfume or cologne diffuser, toothpaste, a Colgate toothbrush, we have a Victorinox Swiss Card Light, a little compressed towelette, and some nice and clean hand wipes, sanitizing wipes. We have some ibuprofen, some band-aids in here. So it makes for a nice little dopp kit, a little travel dopp kit. Our next configuration is going to be a fire kit. As you see right here, we have a Bic lighter, some wax jute twine. Not quite sure what these things are called, but you light that and you can carry the flame with you. We have a ferro rod, some cotton swab compressed towelettes or nose plugs, but they are 100% cotton and they will burn. We have some storm-proof matches along with the striker for those matches. So nice little fire kit. Next we have a little mini stop the bleed kit. First we have some compressed gauze. We have a SWAT T tourniquet, some wound seal, some band-aids, a whole bunch of band-aids, a Nampon, this is for your nose, for severe nosebleeds, and we also have some gel band-aids. Little mini stop the bleed kit. So how about a mini knife maintenance kit? I have a leather strap here. I was thinking about folding this and putting it on the inside, but I didn't know if that would do long-term damage of the leather strap, so I just threw it in the front mesh pocket there. This inside here we have the strap compound. We have a bit driver here, a little mini bit driver, so you can tighten up your pivots or tighten up your screws on your knife. We have, again, your Torx bits. And we have two different sharpeners here. We have a diamond sharpener, a 400 and 600 grit diamond sharpener, as well as a little mini sharpener here, a little diamond sharpener, so you can sharpen your fish hooks and other things. So, a little mini knife maintenance kit. So here we have the last and most important configuration. This is going to be, you think you are a YouTube EDC influencer kit. And starting off with the front mesh pocket, we have the Right in the Rain pocket notebook. And inside the Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer, I haven't said that in a while, I still love saying it. On the right hand side here, we have a i5R EOS flashlight from Olight. A SOG power pint, gotta have that multi-tool there. A Gondek EDC Hank, one of my favorites, the red rum. On the left side here we have the Levergear Edge XT. It's a pry tool and multi-tool. A Fisher bullet space pen. And a Benchmade mini bug out. And last but not least, the darling of the EDC community, we have the Knipex Cobra pliers. And there you go. You have your Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer. I think I am a YouTube EDC influencer kit. So obviously that last one there was purely in jest. I love doing what I do here. It's absolutely amazing, and the toys are plentiful. I do want to thank Tim over at Maxpedition for sending this out to the channel. It is an awesome little pocket organizer. In fact, it is the Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer. And I do want to thank Tim as well for believing me enough to think that I can help support his business. And I will leave a link to the Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer down in the description, as well as the Platy Front Pocket Organizer and the Platy 4x6 Pocket Organizer and the Maxpedition Mini, I think it is. Well, I will leave a link to all those down in the description. They will be Amazon affiliate links. And I do want to thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate you spending your time with me. If you are at all inclined to help support the channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. I will also leave a link to a Buy Me a Coffee account if you're at all inclined to buy me a coffee. But as always, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.